Hey people, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is a lookbook. But if you're only here for the lookbook, I will be mentioning the time lapse somewhere here on the screen so that you can directly switch to that. But before starting with the video, I just want to tell you that it is a summer lookbook, but it's nothing specific. Like, I've styled 6 looks and I've experimented a bit with the 3 looks, and rest of the looks are quite simple. So you can definitely pick some for an office day, for a regular college day, college fest, college party, or even for Sunday brunch. All the details regarding outfits and the accessories and answers to all of your questions will be in the description, so make sure you check that out. I hope you will like the video, and if you do, then give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. And without further ado, let's get into the video.